Welcome back to AM Auto, your go-to channel for all things two wheels. Today, we take a deep dive into a name that brings back memories and roars into the future, the 2025 Suzuki RM80. That's right, Suzuki is reviving its legendary mini motocross machine, bringing new life to the dirt with modern upgrades while keeping its raw, fun spirit intact. Let's ride into the details. The Suzuki RM80 has been a favorite among young motocross riders for decades. First introduced in the 1970s, it helped shape the off-road skills of many champions. After years of absence, Suzuki has officially reintroduced the RM80 for 2025, making it the perfect entry-level two-stroke bike with modern touches. It's light, powerful, and built to win races, or just tear up your backyard trail. Suzuki has kept the RM80's iconic look but updated it for today's riders. The bold yellow bodywork is sleeker than ever, with sharp graphics and a redesigned front fender and number plate for that aggressive racing stance. The minimalist frame keeps the bike lightweight, while the ergonomic seat and slim fuel tank give better rider control and comfort. It's a mini bike, but it looks just like a full-blown factory racer. Engine and performance. Let's talk about what's under the hooder, in this case, under the plastics. The 2025 RM80 features a 79cc two-stroke, liquid-cooled engine that delivers crisp throttle response and fast acceleration. Perfect for young racers or off-road learners, it has enough punch to fly over jumps, rip through corners, and climb tough terrain. Suzuki has fine-tuned the power valve system and carburetor for smoother low-end torque without sacrificing high RPM thrills. It's got the right balance of power and control. And yes, that legendary two-stroke sound is back, and it's music to a dirt rider's ears. Power is transferred through a 6-speed constant mesh transmission, giving riders precise gear shifts to adapt to different riding conditions. Whether it's track racing or trail fun, the gearing is tuned to get the most out of that small but mighty engine. Paired with a lightweight chromoly steel frame, long travel front telescopic forks, and a link-type rear suspension, the RM80 handles like a dream. It's nimble, responsive, and soaks up jumps and bumps like a champ. Braking and safety. Stopping power is essential, especially for new riders. The RM80 comes with hydraulic disc brakes on both ends, something you rarely see in bikes this size. These provide strong and reliable braking performance, even in wet or muddy conditions. Plus, the low seat height and lightweight design make it easier for younger or smaller riders to handle with confidence. The 2025 RM80 is designed for young riders aged 9 to 13, beginner motocross enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to experience the raw fun of a two-stroke dirt bike. It's the perfect step before moving on to full-size 125cc or 250cc MX bikes. Whether you're a parent looking for your kid's first race bike or a nostalgic adult rider looking to relive your childhood on the track, this bike brings smiles with every rev. The 2025 Suzuki RM80 proves that big fun can still come in small packages. It's light, fast, loud, and 100% pure motocross joy. With modern features, improved handling, and legendary two-stroke power, this bike is ready to inspire the next generation of off-road champions. So, is the RM80 the ultimate small displacement MX machine for 2025? Absolutely. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AM Auto for more two-wheeled reviews, ride tests, and industry news. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the new RM80? Or are you waiting for an RM125 comeback? Thanks for watching, and remember, keep the throttle twisted and the rubber on the dirt.